Okay. So I use a lot of spirals. I like to make books for the kids. Thanks. I like to make books for the kids, but the regular mini cinch made these. Okay, so this is on our website. This is a download you can buy and use as many times as you want. I've kind of munched mine. But this is the card calendar. Whoops, what happened? Hang on. This is the card calendar. And so every month, February, March, April, every month an A2 size card fits on here. We've already released the 2024 version, so you can get started. Also, the cool thing about it is we listened to our customers, and a lot of our customers were worried one side was going to get fatter than the other. So on this one, we have January over here, then we have February over there. So the cards will be, the cards will be on different sides, so it won't be as thick. And again, this one folds. There's instructions on the website, but binding here. So also here's one that has the spiral binding. All three of these were made using the machine that we've had on our website for a while. Okay, for a while. This is the mini cinch. Cute. It punches squares. You can use the spiral or the wire bindings. Boom, done. Awesome deal. It comes with some bindings already. Awesome, amazing price. Perfect. Now, some of you want the whole enchilada. That's a little different. This is new. Came out this year, so it's not brand new, but I finally was able to get it in stock. It is called the multi-cinch. Size-wise, it is barely bigger. Let me go like this. It looks like it's the same, almost the same width, maybe half a centimeter bigger, wider. Almost the same size. Looks pretty much the same, right? But what this one has different is this piece right here. Now, this piece is removable. Oh, and I have this in because I was working on it. Okay, this piece is removable. It pops out like this, and you can do different things with this. So for example, this one cuts for the discs, meaning you can add little discs and you can have little cards like this. One thing I love about the discs, you guys, is, oh, I want to add another page. Okay, go ahead and add another page. You can add another page. Oh, I want to add 5 more pages. Okay, go ahead, add 5 more pages. Okay, I think I will. And you can add 5 more pages. Now, Faylene loves this one. I am new to this one. Faylene loves it. I go, Faylene, don't those things ever come off? And she goes, you know what, Stephanie? They really don't. They stay on. So this is just like a little mini book I did as a little test, right? Just a little test. There we go. Discs. And then of course we sell, like, it comes with discs. You can buy discs. Okay. Now, it comes with the disc one, and it comes with the, what does it say? What's the blue one, Ken? On there? The machine itself. What's it say? So it comes with the disc and the, what?
Circle punch cartridge.
Circle punch. So the circle punch one is this one. So it comes with the circle punch. Really quick, I'm just gonna, I'll do it now. How do you put this together? You literally go like that. That's it. I know, it's kind of crazy. Okay, so let me grab some scrap really quick just to show you this. If you are not into binding, then you're good. You don't need this. But let me show you just really quick what this looks like. So that is the circles. Okay, it comes with that one. Pop it out. It also comes with, popped it in, the disc. That is this punch here. There we go. Okay, that's the disc. Okay, then you can buy separately. This one is for the spiral. So we're grabbing this one. This is separate. You can drop it in there. And this is holes for the spiral. Look at that. Now, just a heads up, this spiral is different than the other spiral. See how close these are together? They don't line up with those, so it's a different spiral, okay? Those are on the website if you want those. Also, there is a band one. And yes, we have all the accessories. This one I haven't even opened, you guys. Look at this. So, and the fun thing is I finally got to start playing with this because now that we offer it on the website, I can start playing with it. pull that one out, yank this one in, boom, done, right? Let's do this one. This one is the band. And this one is weird, but oh, I had a book like this, but you do it at one spot, see? And then you're gonna flip it over to the other side and you do the other spot because the band goes around this way. The band goes around this way. So that one's kind of more of a boring one. Okay, so then let's look, okay, here is the square one, and I didn't need the square one open yet because I already have the square one. There's also a heart one that I don't even have because it wasn't in stock, but the website has it, so our website has it. So here is the square. If you are trying to buy this, just know the website's probably going to move way slow. Will the discs work with the punches of the older machine? Will the discs work with the punches of the older machine? Elgars, I'm 99% sure yes, because there is a cinch that I don't sell that only does for the discs. So watch this, you guys. Pop it in. And what's this one? This one is the squares. Ready? That is the squares. And is that the same as the mini cinch? Let's look. That is the same as the mini cinch. That square one. Pop that one out. So if you have the mini cinch and you're insisting on buying this one, do not buy the square one. You already have it. And then I don't have the heart one, but I can show you this one. This is the one that you would sew. Oh, hang on. Let me show you the band one because maybe you can get a better idea of what it looks like. Okay, here on the side. So this would be the edge of your binder or whatever you're doing. It closes it that way with the band, like a big rubber band would go around it. Okay, so this is the Coptic one. This is the one that you would literally use thread and a needle to sew it together. That one's kind of fun. And let's drop this one in there. And let's look at this one. And I don't have the heart one. And there's the little circles that you would literally sew it together. So those are the options. Now, are they gonna come out with others? I don't know. Good question, I should have asked. But these are the ones that we have on the website. Optional, of course. If you're like, oh, well, you know, I want to make those calendars that Stephanie has, but I don't want to invest in a big machine. Totally get it. Get the little one. The price is amazing, you guys, on the little one. I don't even know if we have them in stock, but the price on that little one is amazing. Now, if you're one of those, and I know some of you are, I understand, that wants the whole enchilada. This one is literally the whole enchilada. Look at all these guys, all these options. And I'm missing one. I don't even have the heart. Now, are they going to come out with others? If you guys can think of another one, I bet you they will. But that's it.